I've got another tech tip for you guys that doesn't involve looking for a wire or a tracker necessarily, but we're going to use the tracker for another reason. What I'm trying to do today is I'm trying to install this grounding rod without hitting the main line. And what I do know in most cases is the common wire travels with the main line. So we've connected our tracker over there to the common wire so that we can identify where the main line is in relation to where I'm trying to install this grounding rod, because the worst thing that can happen today is I drive this thing through a 6-inch main line, and we don't want that to happen. So let's go ahead and use our tracker and see where this main line is. Where the sound nulls out like this is exactly where the wires are at. And as you can see, I'm driving that way over to the right here, so I shouldn't hit the main line. Wish me luck.